Hi there. Welcome to my channel French with Minnie, your go-to destination for French language. I hope you all doing well. Today, we will learn about alphabets in French. Let us get started.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
That concludes our lesson for today. I hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them in the comments section below. To stay updated on future lessons, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for joining me today.